back for challenge night. Been about a little over a month since I have been here, so we'll see how this goes. Let's go, Dennis. Come on, bud. Let's go. Let's go. No, I'm getting pushed out now. Oh boy, sorry, bud. Oh no. Ah! Yeah, being on the outside there's not good. Anyways, I've been out for a month or so. I was sick a couple challenge nights ago, and then was on vacation for the previous one. So we're back trying to shake the rust off, and we'll see how this goes. We have a very interesting course. I don't think we've ever done that interesting, not this part. We've done something similar to this a few times. Come on, Dave, get in there, bud. Get in there, bud. I don't think we've done something like this before. I think we've done some things that are similar, but not entirely. Come on, Dave. Let's go. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. The unfortunate part about being behind these people is I know that I can do these parts faster, but I don't really have the space to do them because we have to... Oh my god, dude. Okay. Get in there, Dave. Get in there, Dave. Get in there, Dave. Bro, don't put him in the wall. All right. You kind of just, I'm sorry, bud, but you drove yourself out of a position there. You drove yourself out of two positions, essentially. 3 positions. All right, Dave, let's go. Come on, bud. Oh boy, I almost ran into that wall looking behind me. Okay, I think there's going to be some passing opportunities there, but we'll see how many. If my camera seems a little lower than usual, it's because I did not get to the booster seats in time, so I am sitting kind of low. Okay, we made the pass. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. White flag. Oh boy, I had to concentrate a lot in this race, I'll tell you what. I do a lot of concentrating for this race. A lot of traffic to fight through. Dripped down to 5th for a hot second. Climbed all the way back up to 3rd. We're pretty happy about that. Alright, good race. Alright, back for qualifying race 2. I don't have the booster seat again, so maybe tonight's just going to be a no booster seat challenge, huh? I know that doesn't sound very exciting, but it actually does make a huge difference. And maybe I'll have some time to extol why it actually makes a big difference during this race, depending what happens. Wow, boy, hit that one good. Alright, let's roll. Okay, well, I'm happy that got the inside to start, because I'll tell you what, starting the outside last time was not fun. Alright, Dave, let's go, bud. Come on, let's go. Oh, I almost had that one, Dave. Boy, your tires are making some noise, I'll say that. Oh boy, I'm sorry, Dave. I am sorry. That did not go well. That was what we call a bad turn. Your tires were squealing, is what I can tell you, though. Something was wrong with that. Oh, my tires are a little cooked too. Yeah, we're sliding through these turns. Holy moly! Don't really know how to take that turn properly yet. We did not practice this course in warm-ups. We did like a regular course, so we don't really have context for how to do this course outside of just the race itself. Oh boy, I hit that real good. I wonder if I have to like, I wonder if I have to try to take it like straight out of there so I have enough, like a lot of speed here. Like go a little straighter out of there, maybe, I don't know. Stay there, bud. Oh, we're sliding through turns and stuff too. Oh boy. That feels, oh my god, I hit that so good. I was about to say, you know, that feels real good, and then I just smacked the side of the wall there, and I bounced off. Oh boy, there's a battle going on right there. Oh. I'm basically clipping that part of the wall every time. I think I'm catching Jackson slowly, but certainly not going to have enough time to do anything. So we're just going to try to work on our line. That feels pretty good. All right, well, we're going to take second. Really happy with that. Started 5th, finished 2nd. We will certainly take that. Now I have a 2nd and a 3rd for qualifying purposes. I ain't mad at that. Good race.
I'll turn over that.
Give, it's in there. Stop it. God bless America.
Is this one going to go in the video?
Depends what happens. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, you guys are good to head out.
This thing has a noise. Well, we're back for the feature race. Qualified 2nd, so that's cool. This kart makes some noises, so we'll see how this goes. The race format has been modified. Now we have 2 reverse joker laps that we have to take, which are essentially 2 laps that we have to take that are longer than the rest of the course. We had to put our elbows in there because I think this kart's going to be a little slow, so he may just pass me anyways. So we'll see. I'm not particularly confident about this thing's top speed, especially as Dennis just pulled away from me on the straightaway there. This thing stinks. Yeah, go, bud. I'm gonna let you go. It is yeah, I can tell. Oh, we're gonna have issues. Oh, we're gonna have issues. We're going to have to do our best to survive. Because I'll tell you what, I am getting pushed in the straightaways. Yep, thank you. I see you there. Oh, there was something there. I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna go here right now. Where do we want to take this last one? I mean, yeah, this is, I got my seat back, but, the rest of this race is not going to go well. I'm just going to put that out there. There's like a bolt on the ground over there. So basically what we have to do is we have to be as obstinate as possible so that we can... Okay, all right, well, I'm getting passed on the inside again. All right, that's good. That is not exactly what is supposed to happen in those situations. That is not what is supposed to happen. I have such little top speed that I cannot even defend my inside on these positions. The seatbelt's coming up. Everything is horrible right now. Oh, this is rental karting though. This is rental karting. This is what happens. I'm just gonna take my other one now so I have an idea of what I have to do. Just so I get an idea of where I'm standing on things, and maybe I can defend the people behind me. I actually have no clue how we are going to keep any place. If I finish top 5, it's going to be a miracle, I think. But I think if we can do the corners well enough, like maybe we can keep some people behind me on the straightaways. Oh my god, it stinks. Oh, thank god it's the last lap. Oh my god, bro. Holy. Oh my god, dude, okay. Alright, yeah, that kart was real bad. Oh boy. Alright, good race, good race.